Okay, you guys, so we have all seen the infamous Miley Cyrus and Katy Perry kiss video, but now we're getting KP's side of the story, and it is saucy. I'm your host, Chelsea Briggs, coming to you from Hollywood, and you're watching the Hollywire Hot Minute. Okay, so the truth is, Katy probably expected some special treatment when she went to Miley's banger show last month, but I bet she didn't know that Miley's tongue was part of the VIP package. I mean, her reaction still kills me. And now, we have a statement straight from Katy's lips. Huh? See what I did there? Katy told the host of the Australian morning show Sunrise, "I just walked up to her to give her like a friendly girly kiss, you know, as girls do, and then she like tried to move her head and go deeper, and I pulled away. God knows where that tongue has been. We don't know. That tongue is so infamous." God knows where that tongue has been? Oof, way harsh, Katy. Well, actually, no, I talked about this yesterday. So I am officially dubbing Miley as the makeout bandit. Girl attacks people with her kisses. True story. Okay, so now I gotta ask you, do you think Katy's reaction to Miley's kiss is valid, or no, she's being a little bit harsh and you don't like it and you won't take it? Let's talk it out right now in the comment section below. Do it right now. Type it, talk it, yeah. And also, you guys, subscribe to Hollywire TV if you haven't done so already. That would make my day extra special. And thumbs up, like and fave this video. For Hollywire.com, I'm Chelsea Briggs, and I'll catch you on the flip side. It is time for Instagram shoutouts. I am Al-Sara. Ooh, I think I said your name wrong. Don't hate me. I love you, and I love watching Hollywire. You're the best and so nice. Please just replay me. I think replay me means a shout out. So here is me shouting you out, and I like that you used a pineapple emoticon because that's rad. Pineapples make me think of tropical weather, which makes me think of vacation, which makes me think I really need to take a vacation soon. @_Caitlin5, it's Kate, K with an 8. I'm gonna die if you follow me because I'll be so excited and going crazy. Literally, I will run around like a crazy person, but besides that, you're so pretty and funny and not scared to be yourself. Caitlin, you're so sweet. Don't die though. You guys have been saying that a lot lately. It kind of concerns me. I want to note that it says, be yourself because there's no one like you in your profile, and I agree 100%. You are on the right track. See you later.